It seems difficult to build this hovering drop-down navigation menu with just HTML and CSS, but it is not. Let me show you. I assume that you can build this navigation menu, then move on to the drop-down menu parent element, then give the J index to -1 so that it will go behind the screen even though it is visible in the screen. Then I will remove its visibility and opacity, then give the transition. Then I will use sibling selector to make drop down menu visible in the screen by hovering a sibling element, but you can see it will disappear whenever I remove the hover from its sibling element, so that I'm gonna make the hover effect of it by combining the selector so it will work. One thing to remember here is, even though I hover the down of the services, email will not be there because its J index will be -1.